Hey everyone, Brian at Slater. I've got to set a 20-foot ladder in the Slater bracket and get up there to do that repair. And I'm not shooting a rope over this roof this time. I'm going to do it a different way. My work positioning is right here with the sling and my rig descender to my pelvic ring. This ladder's got the level lock okay standoffs. I've got the ladder tied off to something on either side so the ladder doesn't have a chance to go sideways. I've got a protraction right here. I'm going to run a rope from the bottom of my 20-foot ladder through the protraction, which hopefully I can show you. And when I'm doing that, it's going to help me pull the ladder up and I can let go and the ladder won't fall. So stay tuned, let's see how this works. Okay, so show you a little bit about my setup. I'm not shooting rope over the roof. I'm going to do it a different way. My 20-foot ladder, when I set this in the Slater, is already going to have my green sling and my fall protection line through it. The base of my ladder, is going to be tied off with protraction. With a grillion. Got the side tied off with a grillion over here and tied off over there. When I ascend the ladder, there it is right there. When I ascend the ladder, I'm going to use the rig descender, and I'm going to keep this. Hang on just a second.